Welcome, it's Ensign DIY It All, and today we're going to be using and detailing our car and using stock car, our favorite stuff to clean our car with. Stick to the end to see the results.
Now, while this is our full interior, if you want to see an exterior detail, be sure to check out our channel or hit that subscribe button for more to come. The first major step for us is to get all the different things out of the truck. So whether they be papers, whether they be duffel bags, we use our truck for a lot. And once that's cleared, we're going to get these WeatherTech floor liners out. We want to scrub these clean, and you'll see at the end how we make these really pop. But we're going to go ahead and do this with a little dish soap. So it's cut through the grease, get rid of all that winter grime since it's now springtime, and we're going to leave you some ASMR scrubbing. Now that they're washed up, the last thing to do is give them a fresh rinse of water and let them air dry. While that's happening, we need to hit the truck up with the vacuum cleaner because we got to get out all the dog hair and all the different debris that has been tracked in. While the WeatherTech does a great job of containing this, the dog hair goes everywhere. And while Son's finishing up the vacuuming, I'm going to show you the different products we're going to use. So we're going to use this interior cleaner and this interior protectant, plus a glass cleaner. Now, the reason you want the cleaner before the protectant, and not an all-in-one product, is this is going to go ahead and remove any of that stubborn fingerprints, grime, anything on your surfaces. Then you can hit it with the second step, which is the protectant on a completely clean surface. This two-step process is an absolute game changer. It doesn't add that much to it as far as time-wise, but it adds a huge difference at the end, so be sure to stick around and see that. We're going to leave you with a little more ASMR scrubbing, but be sure to listen in the background, maybe turn the volume up so you can hear some fatherly advice that Dad gives Son.
Now we're just scrubbing the interior. Well, not really scrubbing, but kind of wiping and making it look all nice.
Make sure you get it on the surface, because see that? That's right there. See that gloss? That's what you want. The last one was just a cleaner. It just stripped everything clean. Now we're giving it shine. Now that the interior and trim is done, it's time to address these windows. We take the dog for rides a lot, so we get a ton of dog smudges on our car windows, not to mention other places. And this glass cleaner is the absolute best. It gets rid of everything and makes everything absolutely crystal clear. Now that the interior is complete and everything's clean, vacuumed, wiped down, and sparkling, it's time to address those WeatherTech floor liners completely before they go back in. So we hit them up with that interior protectant. Now, I use this on the steering wheel and the floor liners because it's non-greasy. So it gives you the shine and the UV protection without being slippery. That's something to keep in mind if you're looking at other products to do this. Some of those will leave it slick, and it's not safe to have that on your floor liners or your steering wheel. But this is what it looks like, all put back together. If you stayed this long, you're an absolute legend, and we appreciate you, and you're our kind of people. You're somebody that's looking for DIYs for the real community. Hit that subscribe button, boop that like button so others can find this video. These are the products we used. They are SoCar products. They are the absolute best. It'll give you results like this. But if you want to see more videos like this, YouTube thinks you'll like this one. Take care.